So this is another question where I think we need something from outside of this section. So what I've done in the numerator is I took 1 minus x, square root of x and I squared it. I multiplied this parentheses to itself. If you do that, you should get this, and then you can separate it into 3 separate fractions. This is 1 over 2x minus 2 square roots of x over 2x, so we can just cancel out the 2's. And then this is x over 2x, which can also simplify, right? So this first integral is something where we need something from another section. I don't think it comes up in 5.3, but you can factor out the 1/2, and the antiderivative of 1 over x is natural log of x. Factor out the 1/2, there's that integral. And then here, this is square root of x over x, so the powers can subtract. So you've got x to the negative 1/2, because 1/2 minus 1 makes negative 1/2. And then we've got x over x, so that just makes 1 over 2 there. And then we evaluate each antiderivative separately. This is the natural log x, which doesn't come up in 5.3 yet, so I don't know what WebAssign's looking for here. Over here, we can use the power rule, because if we were to take a derivative, well, the power rule means that power rule of antiderivatives would mean the power go up by 1. So this is now, the antiderivative is going to have x to the positive 1/2. But if we were to take a derivative that wouldn't quite turn into this, we need to put a 2 out front. Now if you take a derivative of this term, it turns into this term. The antiderivative of a constant is just 1/2 x. And then the rest of this is just plugging it in, right? And then here we got to watch out. I'm going to put everything, the result of the limits of integration here in parentheses. And that's a 1/2 power, so let's just say square root. Then we got 1/2 times 36 plus 1/2 times 4. What is this? That's the same problem. Okay, get rid of that. Natural log 36, I can't simplify, can I? Yeah, we can make that smaller. 36 is 6 squared, right? So the 2 can come out front and multiply. So that's natural log 6 when you simplify it. Because remember, powers inside arguments of logarithms, they can come out and multiply. That's a property of logarithms. Same thing here. That's natural log 4, or that's natural log 2 squared. So that 2 can come out and multiply. It makes that natural log 2. And then here, square root of 36 is 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. 12 minus 4 is going to be 8. Then 1/2 times 36 is 18. 1/2 times 4 is 2. So that's 12 plus natural log 6 minus natural log 2, I think. I missed a property of logarithms here. If you're subtracting 2 logarithms of the same base, then you can divide the arguments of the logarithm like this. So 12 plus natural log 3 is what I got. I checked WebAssign. I think this is supposed to be an 8, so I messed something up with my arithmetic in here somewhere with either this term or this term. But the logarithms are correct. Natural log 3 is the right. So something's wrong here, but I didn't spot it when I made this video.